walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey loves, as you guys can see by the title below, this is going to be a Christmas decor haul. I went to At Home and a couple of stores, but the other stores I went to was Z Gallery and Home Goods, which I'm still waiting on 2 items that I ordered from Z Gallery to do that haul. If I can hold out, because y'all know your girl be ready to put this stuff up as soon as she get it, okay? But y'all always ask me to do like the core haul when I go get some stuff from the store and stuff like that. And you guys know, if you've been rocking with me since last year, I do still have up my Christmas tree because the decor in our home is mostly white mirrored furniture, silver, gray, gold, like marble and stuff like that. So the Christmas tree did match the home, and the decor mostly is in the living room, so the tree is in the living room and it matched it perfectly. So I was like, Christmas all 2019, and people that come to our home is just like, you still got your Christmas tree up? Yes, we still got our Christmas tree up, which is like a good, you know, it's good because for one, we didn't have to take the Christmas tree down, put all the decor up for the Christmas tree. And y'all know my tree got a lot of glitter and glass and mirrored, you know, just crystal pieces and stuff like that. So that would have been a task, but we did keep the Christmas tree up. It's been up all year. So like I said, the decor of our Christmas tree is white, silver, and pops of golds. So I did pick up a few items. I'm not going to go in any particular order. Like I said, you guys want me to do the Z Gallery and Home Goods decor haul, I can definitely do that for you. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you can see little snippets of my home where I will show like how I decorated and stuff like this for the holidays and things like that. So the first thing I did pick up was this piece right here. It's actually kind of big and it's so glittery. It's like glitter all on my hand. But this is how this piece looks. It's not going to really pick up on camera. I just thought this was really, really cute. I actually have 2 of these from last year, but they're more of like a silver, like glass metal type of color. This one is more like glitter with like little pops of gold, which you guys probably can't see because of the lighting in here. I thought it was really, really cute. And I just feel like these are really cute to put throughout your home. You can put like a big one up like this. You can put like a medium-sized one beside it with like a candle or like a statement about, you know, like the holiday times or Christmas or something like that. Or you can even put like reindeers. You guys, I have so many reindeers because I love to decorate the inside and the outside of our home with reindeers. I love reindeer. So I'll show you guys, but this was one of the things that I picked up. I literally tried to curl my hair a few minutes ago and I didn't even curl it. This hair is not even curled. I have a burnt mark right here. I'm not even sure if you guys can see it, but it is hurting so freaking bad. But I'm trying to sit up here like a bad bitch and film this video like a boss, but I'm dying in the inside because, girl, this burn hurts so bad. Like, I literally was curling my hair and my thumb literally hit the, oh, I don't even want to think about it. Up is my deer. Now, you guys, let me tell you a quick story behind this. I have been looking for these deers ever since the end of September because I know that stores like Z Gallery, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, At Home, they started to put their Christmas stuff out in October before Halloween is even out. So I knew that a lot of people wanted to get these deers because last year I couldn't find them. So this year I was ahead and I was able to get them. But the thing was, I went to Home Goods, and at Home Goods these same deers was $99. I went to At Home the other day, you guys follow me on Snapchat, and I saw the exact same reindeers for, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it was for $14.99. And it is big, you guys. I'm actually going to put this in the living room where mostly all of the Christmas decor is. Now, you guys, I do have Christmas decor going throughout our entire home because I feel like it's just a vibe, and I'm all about vibes in my home. But majority of the decorations is in the living room. I don't know why I look like my eyes are watery, but they're not. I don't know why I look like that. But you guys, this deer is so cute. I love it. I actually bought two. So that's the first one. And then this is the second one. At first in my basket, I had two gold ones. But then, I don't know if you guys, well, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you will see most of my home. I tried to show a little bit because you guys want a home, so I'm like, girl, no, we gotta have some type of privacy. But I did show you guys like how I like decorated my little coffee area where my Keurig and my mugs and stuff is at. Shout out to everybody who be following me on Snapchat and be hipping me to other places to get mugs, because y'all know I collect mugs. If you haven't seen my little mug collection on Snapchat, sometimes I may snap, you know, if I have purchased more mugs and stuff like that, and you know, whatever. So yeah, but with that being said, I did pick out this one. This one is going to go in the living room. In our kitchen, it's more gold theme, and then throughout the house is more silver, white, mirrored. And so in our living room, we have like a mirrored glass stand, which the TV is above, bouncing on the wall. And I have like a silver, big, huge vase with some stuff on that side. And then I wanted to put like the deer on one side with another smaller deer on it, and then on the other side where the vase was at, put this deer as well. So that is the reason why I picked out two deer. And next I have two smaller deers, because like I said, I want to put smaller deers beside the bigger ones. And I only picked up one gold deer because this gold deer is actually going into the kitchen. This gold deer is going into the kitchen because the kitchen is more of like a gold accessories type of theme in my kitchen. So that is that deer. These are the smaller ones. Now what I didn't understand was that the smaller ones was still $14.99, but I was like, okay, it's still a win-win, because like I said, at Home Goods, I think the smaller ones like this was like $49, and then the bigger ones like on, I just showed you guys, were $99. So it's still a good deal because I practically got 4 deers, and I didn't even spend the price that I would spend for one at Home Goods. So you guys make sure you shop around. That I picked up, it's gonna wash it out because it's white. But this bag is not really my style, but I got it because it had a pop of gold glitter on it, and it had a little green on it. I probably use these to give gifts to someone else, or I may use these for like the kids' gifts and things like that. Or like I said, I may use these just to put maybe my niece or my nephews or my sisters or someone gifts in these, because I thought these was really, really cute. But you guys know my decor has to match exactly. Like the wrapping paper has to match, everything has to match. So next I have these two right here, which is just like a church with glitter on it, with like a Christmas tree over right here, which I always put some of the kids' gifts in boxes like these. I thought this was really, really cute. I'm definitely going to keep this for me. I'm not going to give this to someone as a Christmas gift. I'm going to keep this for myself so that I can put one of the kids' Christmas gifts in this, and it matches perfectly. It's like silver and white with the deer, and then you guys are not going to see like the design, but you guys can see a little bit right here. So on the inside, you also got this one. $3.99, you get a bigger one and you get a smaller one. They have two different designs. Like I said, I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see them, but these are definitely going to be kept here because I'm going to put some of the kids' gifts in each one of these. But these are really, really cool to put under your Christmas tree. I mean, I do wrap a lot of Christmas gifts, but I think it's really nice to have like the cute boxes. I think it just makes the vibe more, I don't know, cuter. Next one I have right here is a white decorative piece that's going to go into the living room, and it just says Jesus is the reason for the season. It's white, and it's like these layers with the words written on it, and then right here it just have Jesus in these really cute cursive letters with glitter on. I think it was really cute, and it was only $7.99 at Homes, because sometimes I feel like we do forget why we are celebrating Christmas. And just in case you guys forgot, Jesus is the reason for the season. I'm trying to get it where you guys can see it more, the glitter, but you guys can probably see, I can't really see that far from here, but it looked like you guys can see it right there. Super cute. And I'm just going to put this somewhere and put like a silver glitter deer that I got, which I'll show you guys. This is the deer that I was telling you guys that will go beside the picture that I just showed you guys. So right here is the deer, you guys, that is going to go beside the Jesus is the reason for the season. It's really cute. It looks just like this. I love this. You guys know I love deers. This is how it looks. Super cute. It's going to look really good beside, because I put both of them beside each other inside the store, and it was really cute. So yeah. The next item I have right here is a sleigh. This is one of my favorite pieces that I picked up from At Homes. And you guys, I'm going to use this to put it beside my Keurig, and I'm going to store my K-cups in here. I thought this was really cute, you guys. I was like, oh my God, I love this crystal glass type of sleigh. This is so me. It's so gorgeous. It's like glass with crystal with gold glitter. It's just so gorgeous. So I'm going to put this right beside my Keurig. If you guys don't know, I do have a white Keurig, which I got white specifically because our kitchen is like white with like a, not, it's like a really light, I don't know what color you can say that it is. It's not like a turquoise. It's not like a green. It's like a really pretty backsplash in the kitchen with like white in it as well. The majority of the kitchen is like white and silver. But I thought this would look so good beside my Keurig to put the K-cups in it. And I thought it was really cute. Like, you guys, this is so freaking gorgeous. So freaking cute. If I had bought this from Z Gallery, I probably would have spent like $200 just because it's from Z Gallery. So this is really cute. If you guys have a Keurig and you want to dress up your coffee section, I thought it was a really cool way to store some K-cups in to display, and also have like the Christmas thing going as well. But this just says Merry Christmas, and this is actually going to go beside the Keurig in the kitchen. It's so pretty. I think this was only like $6. Super cute. Okay, you guys, so next I have some glasses that were on sale when I was in the store. They were actually like 75% off. So this glass looks just like this. Thought it was cute for the holidays. It was on clearance, as you guys can see. It was $4.99, but like I said, it was on clearance. Because when I have company from out of town, I like to drink out of really cute glasses. And then this one right here just looks like this. That's like the white, not the white, the gold like icicles on this one. And this one is really hard and sturdy. It's ornament hooks. I don't know if you guys can see, it has like little pearls and stuff on it, and they're gold. Really cute. I just think this is cute to decorate. If I say really cute, if I say really cute one more time, don't come for me, because I do love stuff really cute. So I thought this was really, I'm not even gonna say really cute anymore. I like them. I picked them up. I bought them everywhere. These are called Golden Nature ornaments. These are just butterfly 2-layer ornaments that go on the tree of 3 or 4. Really cute gold ornaments. So yeah, I did pick up 2 of this style of the glasses. See, I did pick up 2 of these style of glasses as well. I mean, $4.99 and then on sale for like 99 cents or $1 was a really good deal. And these are really good quality glasses. You can see the thickness in the glass at the bottom. You know, when your family's over, you may want to take a shot or drink and have some alcoholic beverages. These are really cute to do that in. Guys, I only have 1 small bag left. And then right here, I just have this cute little pumpkin that says grateful, but like I said, it's white. You're not going to be able to see it because it's completely washed out. I just thought it was really cute, and I did like the fact that it said grateful on it because you should definitely be grateful. So next I have some Christmas ornaments. These are very glittery and they have like holographic sparkles on it. And these were very inexpensive. But this was a really good steal because at the other store, I believe I went today, was like $12 for 6 big ones. And these are actually huge. They look small on camera, but in person they're actually huge. So these are the silver ones. So this is the last item I picked up from at home, which is the same item I just showed you guys. These are gold with the gold holographic pieces on it, but you can't see it. I'll probably snap the tree once it's like fully completed, because I did want to add a few new ornaments on the tree. Even though we have had the tree up for a year, I did want to, you know, take some stuff off and add some like bigger, cuter ornaments. So that is why I purchased these. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my Christmas decor haul. If you guys do enjoy these decor videos, give this video a big thumbs up. That way I know you guys are enjoying them. Also, I just recently filmed the kids' Christmas wish list video. I will have it linked down below. Also, there is a giveaway in that particular video, so definitely make sure you click the link down below to go to that video and check it out to see what you can win in that video. Also, if you guys have not seen the kids what they got for Christmas video from last year, I will have that video linked down below as well. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on because YouTube have been tripping lately, sending out my notifications. And a lot of you guys have been telling me that YouTube was unsubscribing you guys. So you guys, I think you guys should unsubscribe and then resubscribe. That way it's like updated in your subscriber list and you can just click the notification bell and we can just see how that works for now. But yeah, like I said, that's pretty much it for this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat seen it first when I was out shopping at the store and stuff like that. So like I always tell you guys, if you're not following me on Snapchat, go ahead and follow your girl. Y'all know I fucks with y'all. I reply to all my DMs because y'all know y'all my Snapchat fam and y'all know we fucks with each other. So until my next video, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.